Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see string slicing in Python. So let's start with the video. Here I am going to use the PyCharm IDE to type the Python programs. Here first I will create one variable to store the string. For example, variable name is str. In that I will store the string as a welcome to Python. Now, if I want to print this string, then I will use the print statement, and in this print statement, I will give the name of the variable str. Now, execute this program. To execute the program, you can use this triangle, this run option, which is given at the top. So, just click here. So, you can see here, output window shows the message or string is displayed here. Now suppose I want to calculate length for this string, then I will type print in bracket lenstr. Now execute this program. You can see here print statement shows the output as a welcome to Python, and another print statement is used to calculate length of that string, and it shows the length is of 17. Indices are given to the string. Here W is considered as a 0, E is considered as a 1, means here index string starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, like that indices are given here. Now suppose I want to access particular alphabet from this string, then I can access by using the statement print str of, for example, I want sixth letter, okay, or sixth alphabet at sixth position. So I will give the 6 and just execute the program. You can see here for this line print str of 6 means here indexing starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you observe here, this E becomes the sixth alphabet. So in this way, you can access alphabet at a particular index. Suppose I want to print string from sixth alphabet, then I can use print str of 6 to my string length is 17. So I can give here 17 and just execute this program. So you can see here from 6th index till the 17th index, it is printing the string or message. And here remember that this space also have index number. If I want to print the complete string, then again by using the indices I can give it. First I will give the starting index as a 0 and the last index as a 17. Now execute the program. Now you can see for this line starting at the 0th index and ending at the 17th index. So it is just printing in the output, welcome to STE. Also in another way we can give this string. Now run this program. You can see here simply give the colon and the length of the string. So it will consider the complete string here. So you can see here for this line again it is printing welcome to Python. Again you can see another way to give this string. You have to give the print print, simply give str and colon, it will give the complete string. Now we have seen the different ways to print the string. Either I can give simply colon in square bracket, or I can give the index from 0 to 17, or simply I can give the ending index. In all these cases, it will print the complete statement as output. So what will happen if I give the index number which is more than the length of the string? For example, here the length of a string is 17, and suppose I pass the number as 200 and run the program. So now you can see here it is showing the error, starting index out of range. Why it is giving this error? Because we have given the number which is bigger than our length of the string. Now I will keep this line in comment, and suppose I want to print string in a reverse order. Then I will type print str again colon and -1. So -1 indicates the reverse sequence. So just execute this program. Now you can see here when I have typed this line, that is a print str colon -1, means it will print the given message in reverse order. So you can see here it has printed this message in reverse order. Again we will see the way to do the slicing of a string. For example, I want to start the slicing of a string from the 0th index, and the length of string is a 17. This print statement indicates that starting index is a 0, the last index 17, and in between that, after every 2 letters, it will print that alphabet. So just run this file. Now you can see starting letter is a W. Again it will skip one letter and it will take every second letter. So it is taking L, after that O, and so on. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.